Hey guys, I'm right here out in my house. Do you know how am I moving? I'm not going to tell you that, but I'm at my house. My sister's right there, and my brother's eating. My dad's getting something. I don't know. I should do not following me. Are you following me? Okay, guys. But the most thing I wanted to show you guys, the new thing I got for Christmas. It was my toy. If you saw that, yay. So, it was a Hoover scooter. Yo, Dad, do you know what is this machine called? What is it? Huh?
A Hoover board.
A Hoover board. I didn't want it black because sometimes I get black things.
240.
240?
I told you it was in the 200s.
Oh my god, you were actually true. I thought you weren't. Who was the one that got me this? Santa or?
Best Buy.
Huh?
Best Buy.
Best Buy? Okay, guys.
What?
Best Buy. Okay, sorry guys. I hope in this video I hope I get Anna, tell me which number up to I need to go on less viewers. Tell me which number should I go in this video. Adam, in this video, how much do I have to go? Just tell me a number. Just tell me a number, like less.
5.
Okay, 5 viewers.
So I'm calling you.
Well,